So the first time in Canada, please help me welcome the Lexus LF-30 Electrified Concept.
The LF-30 concept really does represent our vision for the future in terms of autonomous driving, in terms of connectivity, and in terms of electrification. So the vehicle behind us is a battery electric vehicle that you can drive and feel excited by driving, but also that you can put into autonomous mode and it can drive you around just as easily. What's unique about the LF-30 electrified concept is it has 4 in-wheel electric motors. So each wheel can individually operate on its own to provide very, very sporty handling, but very, very precise control as well. Perfect for Canada. And what we're really excited to do here in Toronto today is to talk about how this vehicle represents our future. But here in Toronto today, your viewers can buy elements of this vehicle already in our current product lineup. So at the Toronto Auto Show, visitors can check out our latest hybrid electric powertrains, which is a perfect, no compromise way for Canadians to get electrified and have best of both worlds, and also enjoy and experience our Lexus Safety System Plus, which is active safety technology that will eventually lead and build into autonomous driving in the future when governments and people and roads are ready for these types of technologies.
We have a full lineup of vehicles here for you today to take a look at and explore. But please do take the time to check out 2 additional concepts that we unveiled actually last month in Montreal. They garnered so much attention that we thought we'd have to bring them here in Toronto so you can enjoy it as well. We've got the LC Convertible Concept And then right behind you, we have the GX Overland Concept. They may seem like polar opposites at first blush, but they're actually connected by a common spirit and a common philosophy. Namely, they are connected by our passion for the thrill of the drive and our deep appreciation and understanding of true craftsmanship.
So this is another concept that we're happy to show here in Toronto. It's the LC Convertible Concept. And this one actually will be available in Canada in the not too distant future later this year. It's a V8 powered performance vehicle that is perfect for Canadian summers and falls as well. So this is our GX Overland Concept, and it's really taking an existing vehicle today, our 2020 model year GX 460, and really exploring what Canadians could do to explore our country in a way that is a true experience in a great country that we live in. It takes a GX 460 executive package and adds a lot of different equipment that can inspire guests to dream up their own ideas for how to use their GX 460s. We call it a concept because it's not really meant for true testing, or we haven't really done full validation or testing on it, but it's really meant to inspire and give people some ideas or pique their interest and explore Canada in a very luxurious way. We like to do market research. We like to understand what guests in Canada are interested in, and so we're obviously always looking for feedback and interest. And who knows? If there's a lot of interest, we might do something special.